Hi everyone, I am from MXD Software, and in this video we will see how we can confirm a sales order. So in our earlier videos we had already created a sales order and we have sent that sales order to the customer using our email integrated with the Odoo. So now in this particular video we have done a lot of follow-ups with the customer, and finally customer have decided they want to book a sales order, and now we have to convert that quotation into a sales order. So how we can change that quotation into a sales order, or I can say how we can confirm the quotation. So we just need to jump into our sales application. After jumping sales application, we need to go to orders and then quotation. We will see the list of all the quotations here. Then we need to click on the quotation that we have sent to that customer. So I know that I had sent this quotation to the customer, so I will click on this. After clicking on this, either you can go through the product or the other informations to revalidate it. This is the actual page that you are looking for. Once you have showed that this is the quotation that we have to finalize, then we will click the confirm button here. So as we will click on the confirm button, this quotation will start appearing in the sales order. So let me first show you the sales order at what point it is currently. So as I had clicked on orders and then orders, so you will see that currently the last number is 69, and then I will again go to quotations and I will click on the 70, and then I will just confirm this. So as soon as I will confirm this quotation, then this quotation will be converted into a order. So I will click on order and this quotation is converted into a order. Nice. So this is the number. So the number is changed to 70, and here it is. Here is our sales order from that quotation. So guys, this was all about how we can convert the quotation into a sales order. If you want to get your system configured with us, you can email us on mxdsoftware@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp us on +918750774829. Thank you. This was all about for this video. Catch you in another one.